I wonder if these things still work. Hit the wrong button, y'all. I don't think I'm gonna fool with this today. It would be nice to clean that up, but right now my concentration is on the bigger item. You know this cable is gonna cost, so I must preserve these items here. Kids looking at Prime Transformers. To the memory of Cybertron. What is this thing here? This is some type of diaphragm here. Diaphragm operated device here. As you can see, this is broken. I might not have to buy it. Might be able to repair that. Anything that you have to buy on an old car, you basically got to pay. I'll look and see how much it costs. There's some type of something. I'm gonna find out what's in there, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna find out what's in there. And here's a diaphragm. I think I've already recorded this once. Diaphragm here. Diaphragm here. So I think that you take them off from the inside. So I'm gonna get started on this, taking it apart. I hope to be finished with this. Let's see. Maybe by next week, I hope to be finished with this. I give myself a week because I'm gonna take my time and do it. I'm gonna take my time. Make sure I do marks, or do I really care about marking? It'd be best if I marked it. That way I don't have to worry about adjusting it. But I'm gonna have to adjust it anyway, so watch it. Just take the thing apart, know where it goes, right? Right. Look at that, see that? All that time that's been on there. Or did I put that on there to preserve it? I have no idea. I know that I cannot lose it. Know that. This is worse than that computer that I put together. What is this? This here, which is goes to the inside, operates this lever. And this lever determines whether or not the air comes from the heat or if the air comes from the air conditioning. Let's see that. Let's see. See how the thing broke.
Hey, Mom. I just got off.
So that opens up. It's probably wide.
Experience suggests I should never
and that closes. Let's see. Close. Open.
Be careful.
Yes, I'm going to.
Seriously?
I think it's best for me to just really. I'm not going to be worth anything. I ain't got the money. Like I said, I do not want to spend any money on this thing. None. Look at this thing here. I don't know what that is. Could put it on there just like it is. Just paint it. Put it on. But I want to make sure it's operating. That's the main thing. Alright, y'all. Y'all take it easy. I'm going to get ready. Get started on it. We'll take these bolts off here. I don't know what's behind here. Be careful taking it off though, because you may not be able to find it again. You might be able to make some or something. Just know that some padding goes on there. So I can record it all on my phone, but what is this here? There's another bolt here, bolt here, bolt here. Anything down in there? This must be the core. There's anything wrong with that core. Put a new core in there. Let's see how much the new core is going to cost first. Bolts down there. What is this? This little. I don't know what that is. Don't know what that is.
Do not let go.
Like something broke off here. I have no idea what goes around there. There's something that comes out. Looks like some type of screw.
What are you?
I don't exist. Tell anyone about me, and I will hunt you down.
That's some type of close. That's just a defrost, I bet. The diaphragm seems to still work. Hear it? I guess I should check to see if they work before I replace them.
I don't even know her.
No, I'm just making What's down in there, man? Look all in there. The heck is all that? Yes, I'm gonna put this thing together. I don't even know what this unit is called. Oh, hold on a minute. See if I can find out what this unit is called. Nah, I ain't gonna look it up. All I know is that today I think I might, if I got the right tools today, because I don't want to go back outside. I just came home from work. Put some food on. Children were already fed and bathed, and homework was done. That was really cool. Thank you, honey. Let's see. I think that's it, y'all. I think I'm just gonna take this thing apart. I don't think I'm gonna sit and watch